on fire. Oh, I like this color. I like this color. Stop. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Mouth. Your mouth.
You want my mouth?
No, don't put.
Whatever. What's happening? Welcome back to day 3. Vlogmas. This was like supposed to be a V for like, you know, Vlogmas, so. Okay, so today's video, I'm gonna do a quick little lip swatch, quick little lip swatch video on the, wait, you have some chapstick? So, I have my makeup wipes and I have my little mirror, so we're about to get started. Yesterday's video, I opened up a PR package from POPBeauty. They sent me over 9 of their permanent POUT liquid lipsticks. They describe them as the perfect velvety matte lip paint for your Pot Perfect Pout. Let's get started.